I've had a tip off from a friend of mine on Instagram who told me to come to Bushy Park in southwest London to see a little bird I've never seen before. Possibly had one sighting before, but not too sure, it was unconfirmed. It's a very tiny bird on the decline in the UK. There's thought to be only about between 1,000 and 2,000 pairs in the entire country. And it's a bird that's quite tricky to see. Best seen in spring. It's now start of March. There's no leaves on the trees, so it's easier to see this little guy. And it's a lesser spotted woodpecker. There's 3 species of woodpecker in the UK: green, great spotted and lesser spotted. I've seen the other 2 species many times because they're quite common, but the lesser spotted is much more difficult to see and it's always evaded me. So I've just been passing Bushy Park. It's a grey, miserable day. It's been raining all morning. Not the best birding weather, but hopefully if I go and have a wander, I can get to see a lesser spotted woodpecker once and for all. Okay, so I think this is where my friend told me to go. Hopefully we get to see one. Searching for this woodpecker. Goldfinches galore, long-tailed tits, blue tits, great tits, wood pigeons, squirrels, no woodpecker yet. What I have found is woodpecker holes. That's promising. What makes this quite difficult, needle in a haystack job, is that lesser spotted woodpecker is about the size of a sparrow, so absolutely tiny, and this is a big wood. I keep thinking I see a woodpecker shaped lump on a tree. Turns out it's a lump on a tree. It's raining pretty bad now. Definitely the right kind of habitat for them. There's lots of dead wood with holes in. There's definitely woodpecker activity around, but I think I'm running out of luck. It's getting pretty windy. I think I just heard something like a great spotted woodpecker. Sharp, kind of high-pitched squeak squeak call. Maybe. Okay, I definitely just heard a woodpecker of some kind. Often the best way to find a bird in the field is to hear it first and work out where it's coming from. I think we could be close. Blue tit, false alarm. It's getting late and I'm losing hope now. Any tiny bird I see, I'm hoping it's a woodpecker, but blue tits and great tits only. I've just spotted a greater spotted. Okay, I've just seen a woodpecker, but I'm pretty sure it was a great spotted woodpecker. Quite big, and I'm told the lesser is sparrow-sized, and that was not sparrow-sized. I also know that lesser spotted woodpeckers are in decline. One of the reasons is thought to be the increase in great spotted woodpeckers, which will compete with them for habitat, feeding sites, nest holes, but will also actually predate the young. Great spotted woodpeckers are nest raiders. They eat the eggs and chicks of lots of other hole-dwelling, hole-nesting birds. So I'm not too hopeful on seeing a lesser spotted in the same wood or the same area of a wood as this great spotted woodpecker. Let's see if we can find him though and confirm whether he's a big boy or a little one. Right, as you can hear, parakeet exception, there's a lot of little birds in this part of the wood, and I am determined we're gonna see a lesser spotted woodpecker if he kills me. Well, with nature you can't always rely on things to go the right way. Oh my god, just about to leave, I've just heard a woodpecker drumming, and it's a different sound to the great spotted woodpecker. Teasing me. Can't see anything. I think I've learned an important lesson today. Searching for a sparrow-sized bird that's rare, that feeds high up in those trees on a horrible rainy day was a bad idea. It's wet, it's cold, my mission has failed, and I'm going home.